Firecracker chicken. Let's prepare the ingredients. Let's get started. Here, all the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box. Let's start by taking the ends of the snow peas. Next, cut the onion. We only need half. Separate each layer. Then cut the bell pepper and remove the seed. And then we cut the end of the chili and then slice it. Now we trim the fat of the chicken. And then slice it. Now we add the salt, oil, and cornstarch. And mix together. Now we blanch the snow pea and green pepper for 30 seconds. Now we remove from the water. Add some oil into the hot pan and then add the chicken to brown. And remove from the pan. And add some more oil. Add in hot chili. Stir fry to release the fragrance. Now add the onion. Add the rest of the vegetables. Add the chicken back in. Add the soy sauce and oyster sauce. Mix in and it's done. Time to plate it. Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. The chicken cooked just perfect and the vegetable is very crunchy. It is savory and very spicy. So we call it firecracker chicken. The firecracker in your mouth. It's very spicy but it's good. Very delicious. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。